Introduction to Zelle transaction limits. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts or credit unions. However, Zelle has certain transaction limits that can cause issues for some users. In this guide, we will explore common issues with Zelle transaction limits and provide tips on how to avoid them. Understanding Zelle transaction limits. Zelle transaction limits vary depending on the bank or credit union you use. Typically, the daily limit for Zelle transactions ranges from $500 to $1,000, while the monthly limit can range from $1,000 to $5,000. However, these limits can be lower for new users or for users who have not verified their accounts. Common issues with Zelle transaction limits. One common issue with Zelle transaction limits is exceeding the daily or monthly limit. This can happen if you need to send a large amount of money, such as paying rent or making a down payment on a purchase. Another issue is that some banks or credit unions may have stricter transaction limits than others, which can cause problems if you need to send money to someone who uses a different bank. Practical examples. For example, let's say you need to send $1,500 to a friend who uses a different bank. If your daily limit is $1,000, you will not be able to send the full amount in one transaction. You may need to split the payment into 2 transactions, which can be inconvenient and may incur additional fees. Best practices. To avoid issues with Zelle transaction limits, it's essential to check your bank or credit union's transaction limits before sending money. You can do this by logging into your online banking account or by contacting your bank's customer service. Additionally, you can consider verifying your account to increase your transaction limits. It's also a good idea to plan ahead and send money in advance to avoid exceeding your daily or monthly limit. Conclusion. In conclusion, Zelle transaction limits can cause issues for some users. But by understanding the limits and following best practices, you can avoid these problems. Remember to check your transaction limits, verify your account, and plan ahead to ensure that you can send money seamlessly using Zelle. By following these tips, you can make the most of Zelle's convenient and fast payment service.